राजेश जी द्वारा मेरे माइक को अनम्यूट कर दिया गया है, तो मैं बात कर सकता हूँ। अब विवेक कृष्णानी जी के पास जाऊंगा। विवेक कृष्णानी जी बहुत ही सुंदर से समुंदर के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, तो मैं उनसे जानना चाहूंगा, विवेक जी, क्या जरूरी बातें होंगी जो हम अगर करें तो इस समुंदर को हम नीला कर सकते हैं, खूबसूरत कर सकते हैं?
Thank you, Nilesh ji, and to all the respected dignitaries present here and to people across. Um, as far as I hope this inspiration, this background provides the right inspiration for this session today. I'm very happy that there is a dialogue on this very important issue, and would like to thank the Vivekanand Youth Connect Foundation for bringing this issue to the fore. It is actually the need of the hour, and we need to leave a better world for our next generation, better than how we found it, not worse. All recent occurrings, whether you see the pandemic or the severe cyclones or such occurrences, make us aware that we have to protect nature for nature to protect us. And this has to become part of the collective consciousness of the people. People have to believe that they need to do something. I've had actually firsthand experience of, understanding the power of one and doing something about this issue, as I was involved with this lovely team of Mahim Beach Cleanup, managed by Indranil Sen Gupta and Rabia Tiwari, to help them in volunteering in picking up plastic that gets washed ashore on the beach. To begin with, there was hardly any beach there, and it was actually lay buried under 3.5 feet of marine litter. 17 kilometers of Mithi River actually joins Mahim Causeway, and we see all the sewage and garbage being pushed into the shores, as Abhijit ji just rightly said. These two people first went alone to start small and clean up a small stretch, and then managed to inspire the locals and schools and colleges to become volunteers, and made a movement out of it where over 20,000 people have actually come to help clean the beach. And over the months, they have cleared the beach of more than 1,000 tons, which is 10 lakh kilos of rubbish. And the beach has now begun to breathe. So this is actually the power of one. And it's therefore one of the most important things, Abhijit and Neeraj and everybody, is that it is important for citizens to take action and be conscious of our own consumption, starting with that. It is imperative to us to stop being laid back, and rather than just liking Facebook posts and showing your presence there, it's important to understand what needs to be done. You have to look around and recognize that there is a problem, and do something about it. Our seas are unfortunately become a dumping ground, and only a sustained and dedicated effort can tackle this issue. Most importantly, a mindset issue that needs to change. Besides these individual efforts, there needs to be responsibility and accountability on government and corporates, because also there needs to be constructive collaboration between them, whether it is reducing and recycling plastic, which is one of the biggest causes. You'll be surprised to note, and a study has shown that by 2050, the weight of plastic waste in seas and oceans across the world will be more than the combined weight of all the fish in them. It's extremely important for citizens, corporate, and government to work on sustainable initiatives to help keep our beaches clean. Also, as our movie business is concerned, it is important, and we travel the world in search for blue waters, whereas we have such a lovely blue coastline, some beautiful coastline at home, and we obviously need to do something about it. Though this is one of the side benefits of having a clean beach, but as content creators, we are also aware of our environmental responsibility. And whilst we strive to light up screens around the world with quality content, we have to be committed to playing our part to protect the environment of future generations. I just like to kind of leave you by saying that, and while there are inspiring stories all around, if you look, and we find deep resonance in the words of environmentalist and polar explorer Robert Swan, who said, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. We need to change this dangerous mindset right now and do something about it. I hope we can do collectively some good and bring blue waters back to Mumbai. Thank you.